A very good morning to all of you. Once again, welcome in mathematics class for 7th class student. This is Pooja student and today we are going to start our exercise 2.2 and then we will solve questions of exercise 2.2. So student, what are the rules for the multiplication of fraction? How can you do multiply fractions? So rules are, first multiply the top numbers means you will multiply the numerator. Then multiply the bottom numbers means you will multiply the denominator, and then you will simplify the fractions. How? Look at here in our next slide. If I want to solve this 2 upon 6 into 9 upon 16. So how can we do multiply? So student, first step is, as I told you, that first you will multiply the top numbers means 2 into 9. So 2 into 9 will be 18, and then you will multiply the bottom numbers means 6 into 16, that will be equal to 96. And then after solving this, what will you get? You will get 18 upon 96, and you will divide this 18 by 3, so you will get 6 upon 32, and after dividing this by 2, so you will get 3 upon 16. So in this way student, you can simplify these fractions numbers. Look at here with the help of this pizza. Here you can see that what I am writing here, 1 by 2 of this pizza. Here, how can you represent this pizza into fraction form, students? As I told you in previous session, that how can you write here, slice is 1 and total parts are 3. So you will write this pizza in a fraction form 1 upon 3, means you will get 1 upon 3 part of that pizza. So how can you do? And this of will be converted into multiplication. So you will write down 1 by 2 into 1 upon 3. And again you will follow the same procedure, that 1 into 1 means I am multiplying the numerator. I will get 1, and I will multiply the denominator, that will be equal to 2 into 3, and this will be equal to 6. So it means now how can I represent in this form? There are total parts are 6. Denominator means total parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And slice is only 1, which is shown in the numerator. So this will be the 1 upon 6. So in this way students, you can solve, or you can also simplify first and then you can do the multiplication. So let's start with the exercise in question number 1. Question number 1 is given that, so the first question of exercise 2.2 is, which of the drawing A to D show 2 into 1 by 5? Means student, in first question what is given? Here some values are given and you have to tell that these value equal to which picture, means this one or this one. So you have to tell that which one is equal to the given picture. So in first part, suppose if I am telling you that what is given student, 2 into 1 by 5. So this 2 represent the total number of pictures, means 2, 3, 4, 5, how many pictures are given. And this second value 1 upon 5 represent the fractional value of that given picture. Means suppose if this is given 1 upon 5, so 1 upon 5 means there are total parts 5. We have to find out the picture in which total parts are 5 and shaded portion is 1. So in first picture there are only 3 parts, so leave it. In second there are only 2 parts, so this is not the solution. There are total 4 parts, this is also not the solution. In last D part you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total parts are 5 and total pictures are 2. So how can you represent, students? You can see here there are total pictures Okay, there are total pictures 2. So you will write down 2 into what is the shaded portion 1 and total portion is 5. So this first part will represent this drawing. So you will write down 2 into 1 by 5 represents drawing D. In the same way, look at one more solution. Look at the fourth part. Look at the fourth part. Fourth part is given 3 into 1/4. It means we have to find out in which pictures, total pictures are 3. So you can see that in this and this, there are total pictures 3. But second condition we have to check that the fractional value means total part should be 4. Means we have to find out that picture in which the division of the parts equal to 4 equal parts. So you can see here. So student, you can see here there are total pictures are 3, 1, 2 and 3. So you will write down 3, and how can you write out its fractional value? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total parts are 4 and shaded portion is 1 in each picture. So you will write down 3 into 1 by 4. So you can write down the answer 3 into 1 by 4 represent drawing C. And I gave the solution also of this question. You can note down question from there. Look at the second question. In second question, what we have to tell? Some picture A to C are given below and tell which of them show. Again, we have to tell that this value represent what. So, students, look at the solution. What is given in first part? 3 into 1/5, that will be equal to 3/5. Means we have to find out the picture in which total pictures are 3. So if you look at these diagrams, so 1, 2, 3 total pictures are given 3. So we can write down 3 into, and we have to check that its fractional value should be equal to 1/5. So in each picture you can you can see that shaded portion is 1 and total portion are 5. So you can write it 1/5 and equal to, you will get shaded portions are 1, 2, 3 and total portions are 5. So again you will get the answer. So how can you write down? Students, you will write down 3 into 1/5, that will be equal to 3/5 represent figure C. It means this represent our figure this. So in the same way you can check for the rest part also. Now move to the here student, I gave you the solution for these questions. You can write from here also. Now move to the next question, question number 3 of exercise 2.2, that is multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. So first question, as you can see here, what is given? 7 into 3/5. How can you solve, student? What is given? 7 into 3/5. So you can write down 7 as 7/1, and first you will solve this numerator. 7 into 3, that will be equal to 21, and 1 into 5, that will be equal to 5. And if it is possible to cancel out, then you will cancel out the numerator and denominator. But here it is not possible to divide 21 and 5 by the same number. So what will we do? We will convert into mixed fraction. So you can write down 21 divided by 5. So 5 4s are 20 and 1 is a remainder. So how you can write down in mixed fraction? You can write down 4 whole 1/5. So this is the solution, students, for first part. In the same way, student, you can solve the given part. So look at one more part I am explaining here. Look at the one more part, student, 10th part, that is given 15 into 3/5. So you can write it 15/1, and you can solve 15 into 3, students, that will be equal to 45/5, and then 5 1 ja and 5 9 ja 45. And you can also do in the this question in different way. You can write it 15 upon 1 and 3 upon 5. And first you can cancel out 5 1 is 5 and 5 3s are 15. Again you will get the same answer, 3 3s are 9 upon 1. So you will get 9 as an answer. Question number 4 is shade 1 by 2 of the circle in box A. Here you can see that what is given, students? There are some parts are given and some boxes are given and you have to solve. You have to solve. First part is what you have to solve, 1 by 2 of box A means this one. So what is given? There are total circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you will write down 1 by 2 into 12 and 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So answer will be 6, means you will shade 6 circles of box A. In the same way, student, you can find out the rest part. I hope it is clear to all of you. And this is your homework, student. First note all these questions and then question number 3 you will do the third and 8th part. Question number 4 you will do B and C part of question number 4 and B and D part of question number 5 in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting, students. If you have any doubts, student, then you can ask me. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.